2-point perspective city, fold your paper in half vertically, then fold your paper in half horizontally, make sharp creases, and then you're going to use your ruler and your pencil to trace the vertical line lightly and the horizontal line lightly. The horizontal line is coincidentally the horizon line for this drawing. After you've traced that horizontal line, you're going to put a vanishing point on each end. It doesn't have to be right at the end, but kind of close to the end. Okay, then you're going to use your ruler and you're going to go from that vertical line in the middle. You're going to draw a line out to the vanishing point on the right hand side and then match it up in the middle and draw out to the vanishing point on the left. And then do the same thing under the horizon line. Draw from that center line to the vanishing point and then match it up in the middle and draw from the center line out to the other vanishing point. Okay, so this shows us like the top and the bottom of our cityscape. So we're going to start drawing the sizes of our buildings, the end of our building. So I'm using my ruler and I'm aligning it to the vanishing point on the right hand side. Then I'm drawing 3 lines that will be the size of the buildings. Repeat it on the left. So this is like the bottom of the building where the building touches the sidewalk. The one in the middle I matched up, so that'll be one building that's sitting on the corner. Okay, so that'll give me 5 buildings, 1 in the middle and then 2 on each side. Okay, now we're going to draw the sides of the building, and to draw the sides of the building, you use straight vertical lines, and the straight vertical lines are parallel to the vertical sides of the paper, and they're parallel to each other. So you're just using your ruler and drawing straight across. If you want to make a building a little bit taller, you can go above that original line that you drew, and then just go back and connect those 2 top points to the vanishing point. So you're aligning your ruler to the vanishing point, but you're only drawing the line where it is on the building. Okay, so back to my vertical lines. So there's the side of the building, there's the side of a building, here's the side. Again, just keeping them straight and vertical, using my ruler every time. Straight and vertical, all the way through. So now we have like the faces of our buildings. Okay, so we're going to start drawing the thickness. The thickness on the left-hand side goes to the right-hand vanishing point, and the thickness on the right-hand side goes to the left-hand vanishing point. You can erase the part of the horizon line that goes through your building. You wouldn't see through a building, so you can get rid of that horizon line at some point. Okay, so we're going to start connecting. So I'm working on the left-hand side of my city, so I'm lining it up to the right-hand vanishing point. So I'm going to draw that corner so it's aligned to the vanishing point. I'm going to stop when I get to another line, but I am lining up my ruler to the opposite vanishing point. And then erase what's inside. So I'll just repeat that process. So I'm lining up the corner to the vanishing point on the opposite side, line up the corner to the vanishing point on the opposite side. So one end of my ruler is on the vanishing point, the other end is on the building. Okay, so I've got that building. We've already got the 2 sides. We don't need to add anything to that building. It's sitting on the corner. So now I'm on the right-hand side of my city, aligning to the left-hand vanishing point. So I'm just lining up vanishing point to the corner of the building, draw a line. Vanishing point to the corner of the building, draw a line, and then erase the little scraps that are inside the building. So top corner, matching up the other end of the vanishing point, and then drawing that line. And then there's the bottom corner matching up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and erase any of my guidelines that wind up inside of a building. Just going through and erasing, getting it nice and tidy. I'm going to leave that bottom line because that bottom line that we drew in the beginning is actually our sidewalk.